Alright, well, as you can see by the intro, today I'm going to be teaching you how to write the equation of a circle. First, you're going to need to know exactly what a circle equation should look like. Well, right here I have an example. It should look like x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Now in your head, you might be thinking, what the heck is h and k? Well, h and k are the coordinates for the center of a circle. Basically the midpoint, where any point on the circle is the same distance as any other point to the midpoint. If that makes any sense. If I worded it right, I should say. And x and y, those are just the x and y coordinates of any point on the circle. H and k are the x and y of the center, x and y are any point on the circle. Pretty easy enough, right? Alright, so now that we know basically the basics of the equation of a circle, we're going to need to know how to actually do that. So, right here, I have an example. We have a circle with the center as -5, -3. Basically, h is going to be -5, k is going to be -3. H is the x, y is the k. Easy enough. And goes through the point 6, 6. So, right here, I already have the equation written. X is 6, h is -5. Actually, the equation is subtracting. Since it's a negative coordinate, you need to add it. So, now that we have that fixed, now we have the equation x minus a negative, which makes it positive, x plus h squared plus y minus 3, but since it's -3, y plus k squared equals r. Now, over there, r was squared. But to do that, you'll first need to do this equation first. R equals x minus h squared plus y minus k squared in a radical. Now first you'll need to undo the radical by squaring it, which makes r squared. R squared. Then you will solve regularly, and whatever that equals up to r squared. So, first step in our equation is to square it, and now we have r squared. So now we have 6 plus 5 squared plus 6 plus 3 squared equals r squared. Now we'll just solve regularly. So we have 6 plus 5 equals 11, which turns into 11 squared, plus 6 plus 3 squared equals 9 squared, both equals r squared. So, first you'll need to square them. Now, 11 squared is... Let's find 11 squared. 11 times 11, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So we have 120 plus 81 equals r squared. Now what exactly that equals is 201 equals r squared. Okay? So, now that we have that, we know what r squared is. Now that we know what r squared is, we can insert it into the equation. So, we have the final form of the equation is x minus plus 5 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 201. It's as simple as that. Once you figure out what r squared is, you just insert the points that are on the circle. that are on where the circle is, and there is your final equation. Sorry for technical difficulties, that can be expected when you are cast and crew. Well, now I have plotted the point on that we just graphed for the circle that we just made the equation for. As you can see, there's the equation, and there's our circle. And a way to confirm that this is our circle a way to be able to confirm that this is the circle that we made is one of the points that it passed through was 6, 6. So we go to 6, go up to 6, and passes through. So this is the circle for the equation that we just made.
That's all, folks.